Yeah, good day and welcome to Ecom Up Premium. This is a channel where we discuss on how to make money online. Today we'll be discussing on Hamster Kombat, a Telegram mining bot that is very popular. Majority of miners, crypto users have been mining this token. So you just have 7 days to go. So I want to do a short tutorial on how you can withdraw your tokens from Telegram to exchanges or to your wallet where you can sell it. Now, as you can see from this interface, this is the Airdrop interface, Airdrop tax interface. And as you can see, we have some major exchanges. For top exchanges, Binance, OKS, Bybit. Of course, this is not the only exchanges where this token will be listed, but these are the top exchanges where the miners has been allowed to withdraw off-chain. There are two types of withdrawal. Basically, we have off-chain and on-chain. So when we are talking of off-chain, that means you can withdraw your token or initiate the withdrawal of your token even when it has not been launched. So you can see from this interface now we have Binance. You can see it's been ticked. That is my own exchange where I will be trading, marketing my token. So how do you go about it? How do you withdraw it? So some of you have been asking my followers on how to go about this. Now, the first thing you need to do is not an up task. You can download Binance. Okay, for those of us in Nigeria, of course, you know you can no longer use OKS, but some other countries you can use OKS. The procedure I'm going to show now is applicable to all exchanges. So now you can see from my own Binance interface, you can see it here. I've downloaded Binance interface. I've been verified. I've done my KYC. So as you can see it here too, you see you have to do your KYC. KYC means knowing your customer. There are some basic things that will be requested to present, like your ID card, especially a government issued ID card, or your BVN. That's your bank verification number. For you to get verified, your phone number, your email. Once those are presented and they've gone through it, that is authentic, you'll be verified. It does not take long. It cannot, sometimes it not even take more than 24 hours when you'll be verified. Now, that is one. Then that is one means of doing it. I'm going to demonstrate it, what you need to do if you have been verified on this any of these exchanges. But I'm going to use one. That one I'm going to use Binance, and it's the same thing across all exchanges. Now, the other aspect of it is your wallet. That is your wallet in Telegram. You can also withdraw directly, even this off-chain, to your Telegram. It may not deliver immediately, but in some days or a day before, or some hours before it is being listed, you will see it arrived, your wallet. Then we have a new exchange here that is called EBI exchange. In fact, there's a big privilege here. It does not need require KYC, neither does it require gas fee. But the last one we have here is on-chain. On-chain means when it has been listed. By default, most of you will see that on-chain is being linked. Already you have linked your wallet, But if you want to change from that link, you can just come down. You can see reset withdrawal options. If you don't click on this reset withdrawal option as of today, whatever you are doing will not be stored, will not be ticked. You can see mine has been ticked. So the first thing I did is to click on reset withdrawal options. So take note of that. So now what we're going to do now, I'm going to go to Binance. Assuming that you are withdrawing to any of these exchanges, centralized exchanges, the first thing you need to do after you have been verified is to click on wallet. So I'm clicking on wallet. Then when you click on wallet, click on deposit. Click on deposit. When you click on deposit, you are going to search for HMSTR. You can see it here. I've searched for it already because I'm already I've connected this wallet. So you will search for it at the search bar. So I'm going to click on it here. So I want to click on it. They will ask you which network is Ton network. Ton network. You can see the address. If I take note of this, you have the address. Then you also have the memo. Address and memo. They are very, very important. And as it is indicated here, if you only put your address without this memo, you may end up not receiving your token. So take note of it. So you're going to copy this, and you're going to go back to Telegram. You have two spaces that you will see there, first one and second one. Those spaces you have to input it. Already you say I've done my, but let's assume that I want to go for Bybit, for example. Let me click on Bybit. Okay, it's not even, it's not clicking. Okay, let me click on Bybit. So it's not clicking, all right, because I've already linked Binance. So take note of that. So, but if I were to change this now, I've been given a privilege to, all of us have been given that privilege till 21st. You cannot change your withdrawal address or wallet after on the 21st. All you just need to do, if perhaps I just decide to change my mind, now I can come back to say reset withdrawal options, and I'll change it to any wallet I so desire. So you have seen it now. It is the same process, the same thing you do for Bybit, you're going to do for OKS. Click on the wallet, click on deposit, click on the network, then copy the address. Now, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification button, so that each time I come with video like this, you'll be notified. In fact, I'm still going to be coming up with more videos. If I have 3 to 4 videos on this Hamster Kombat before it's listing, I'm still going to be telling you some other do's and don'ts and what you should be expecting. So, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. God bless you richly. Thank you very much.